Hello and welcome to the Realty Pilot tutorial on how to add an acquisition on Concourse 360. The Acquisitions tab gives you the ability to increase your sales volume by presenting potential investment properties to Realty Pilot's clients. Any property, regardless of seller or transaction type, can be entered into acquisitions to be seen by hedge funds, asset companies, and investors. While other agents wait for listings to be assigned to them, this system puts you in the driver's seat to grow your business. When you are logged into Concourse 360 account, you can access the Acquisitions page by either hovering over the Properties tab at the top left, and in the drop-down choose Acquisitions, or you can click the Acquisitions tab on the nav bar. This will automatically take you to the tab to add an acquisition. To add a listing, click the Add Acquisition button. A pop-up appears with options to input for the property. All of the fields with the red asterisks are required. Select a property type in the drop-down, transaction type, and fill in the address information. Below that, put in any price information you have for the property, and any optional notes you would like to add. Then click the Save button. Your listing is now added, and you can see in the waiting column the number of asset companies available to see the listing. On the right are the functions. The first one shows the notes you saved when you added the acquisition. You can add more notes at any time in the bottom section. Notice that all notes are made public unless you choose the private checkbox. If you wanted to add a note, click the Add New Note button at the bottom, or you can close the window at the top right. Next is the Details function that shows you what you entered for the listing. You can edit the options with the Edit button. Click the Edit icon to change anything you need, then click Save at the bottom or Cancel. Next is the Documents page. This allows you to upload any documents or pictures you have for the listing that you want the asset company to review. Click Choose File to select the files from your computer. In Step 2, select the asset company that you want to see the documents. To select them all, hold down the Control key and select each one. Click Save and the documents will be uploaded to the property. You can edit the names in each asset company you want to have access to the files by clicking the Edit icon. Click the big red X icon to delete the file. When you're finished, click Close. If an asset company has requested information from you, you can see this in the Info Request tab. Any properties that are highlighted green are the ones you have not reviewed. And click the Notes icon to view any additional notes from the asset company. If the asset company wants to make an offer on a property, you can view this in the Offer Request tab. Click the Notes icon to see any additional notes. Click the Property icon to go to the property in Concourse 360, and click the Details icon to see the offer information from the asset company. And finally, if the asset company rejects the offer, you can see this in the Rejected tab. That concludes this tutorial on our Acquisitions feature. Below are links to other useful tutorials. For additional information, you can give us a call or use our live chat support. And thank you for using Realty Pilot.